I'm going to demonstrate the Chapter 1 homework problem on production alternatives. It's the problem that has the chart on automobiles and forklifts. So the first part, the A portion, tells you to show these data graphically. So what you're going to do is you're going to plot points A through E on this graph. So you'll start by clicking your mouse on the bar graph that says PPC, and then you're going to go to this vertical line is for automobiles and the horizontal line is for forklifts. So point A is 0 automobiles, 30 forklifts. So you're going to just take your cursor and you'll see in parentheses what the points are. So this one is 29 and 0. You're going to go up 1 and you'll see that it shows you 30 and 0. So that's the first one. Point B is 2 and 27. So you'll just go up until you'll find it in the parentheses. Point C is 4 and 21. Okay. D is 6 and 12. And E is 8 and 0. So that's your graph. B, let's see, upon what specific assumptions is the production possibilities curve based? So this is your definition. So this is the representation of what you can produce if you have two goods, which you do. You have fixed technology, fixed resources, and full employment. Okay, if the economy is at point C, what is the opportunity cost of 2 automobiles in terms of forklifts? So it's asking you, what do you have to give up? That's what opportunity cost is. When you add something, you have to give up something. So if you go to point C, it says you have 4 autos, and it's asking you in order to add 2. So if you move from point C to D, you're adding 2, you're going from 4 to 6. What is the opportunity cost in terms of forklifts? So what are you giving up on the bottom? You're going from 21 down to 12. You're giving up 9 forklifts. So that's going to be 9 forklifts is your answer. What is the opportunity cost of 6 more forklifts in terms of automobiles? So where down here are you giving up 6? So really you're just going backwards here. So when you add 12 forklifts from 0 to 12, you're giving up 2. When you go from 12 to 21, which is 9, you're giving up 2 automobiles. When you go from 21 to 27, that's 6. You're giving up 2. And then when you go from 27 to 30, that's 3 forklifts. You're giving up 2. So the question said, what is the opportunity cost of 6 more forklifts? That would be here. When you add 6, you're giving up 2 automobiles. So the answer is going to be 2. Okay, what characteristics of the production possibilities curve reflect the law of increasing opportunity cost? Its shape or its length? And that's going to be its shape. That's the opportunity cost. If the economy characterized by this production possibilities table and curve were 3 and 20, what could you conclude about the use of available resources? 3 autos, 20 forklifts. So that's 3 autos, 20 forklifts. So if the point were right here, what would we be doing? So the answer is over or underutilizing. The answer is under. So if you're right here, you're not using all of your resources. Along this blue line, you're using all of your resources. Full employment, fixed resources, fixed technology. Anything less than that is going to cause unemployment. So we're underutilizing. D, is production at a point outside the curve currently possible? So if we can produce along the blue curve with full use of our resources, can we produce out here? The answer is no. Why? The answer is because we do not have enough resources. Could a future advance in technology allow production beyond this curve? The answer is yes. If we negate that list of assumptions, fixed technology, fixed resources. So if we have more technology or more resources, the answer is yes, we could produce more than what we have. Could international trade allow us to consume more? The answer is yes. And if we go down and do check my work, the answers are correct.